If you're considering moving to Miami, and more specifically living in a condo in Miami, then at some point in your search, you probably come across options in the downtown and brickell neighborhoods. Choosing among them is preference, of course. But if you're in the market for a 3-bedroom condo, then today's video may offer you some insight as to what you could come to expect. If you've been following the channel, then today's tour will likely be very familiar, as we're back at the One Miami condominium in downtown, which may bring you to ask the question, do we really need another property tour in this building? And to that I may say, we definitely don't. I'm kidding. Partially. With the constant market conditions that are changing in Miami at a moment's notice and the fact that it is a new year, I think that it's actually pretty cool to continue to showcase properties and layouts that we've seen in the past so that you could keep up with what's going on in today's market so that you can make a decision if it's time to commit or not. So One Miami is what we got. Now, let me first start off by saying that One Miami isn't the most modern building out there, nor is it the most expensive. It definitely doesn't have the best amenities, and it's not the most glamorous. In other words, it's not going to blow your hair back. But with all its faults and drawbacks, depending on who you ask, it's still a very special building. The views here are second to none, and the location is prime as it sits right on the edge of downtown, and it's the only building east of Biscayne Boulevard. In other words, One Miami is oozing with value. Still don't believe me? Okay, that's fine. Consider the Aston Martin residence for a second. It's literally 300 feet away from One Miami, and they're selling you the same views. I mean, they can tell you what they want, but essentially it's the same views. But prices for a 3-bedroom here are well north of $4 million. Of course, you can't compare Aston Martin's finishes, design, architecture, amenity, and layout with the building that's 20 years older. I get that. But the point still remains that if you're simply looking for a 3-bedroom condo with a water view and low HOA dues, then $895,000 for this property starts to look like a bargain. That leaves you with plenty of money left over to go crazy and spend on redesigning the place to your specifications and bring the property to a more modern times, let's just say. And honestly, that's the way that you should approach viewing today's video. Seeing what it could be rather than what it is. And if you have a keen eye for this kind of stuff, then you know exactly what I'm talking about. So let's get started. And before I forget, if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Vargas. I'm a luxury real estate agent in the Miami area, and every week I bring you property tour videos. So click that subscribe button if you would like to see more, and click that thumbs up button to help the channel. And with that being said, guys, let's get started and enjoy. If you enjoyed today's content and want to see more stuff like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell to be notified of my weekly property tour content and other Miami real estate information. Also, if you want to see more property tours or other videos, make sure you click on any of the playlists or videos that you see here on screen. Thank you so much for tuning in and making it this far. As always, I will see you all next week. Take care and God bless.